Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest updates and features that make your digital life easier. Today, we're going to explore a crucial feature in WhatsApp that lets you delete sent messages for everyone, right from your PC. This is especially useful if you've ever sent a message by mistake or changed your mind after hitting send. First things first, let's get started with the process. Open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the steps are the same. Once you've logged in, navigate to the chat where you want to delete a message. This could be a personal chat or a group conversation. Now, locate the specific message you want to delete. It might be a typo, a wrong message sent to the wrong person, or simply something you no longer want to be part of the conversation. Once you've found it, right-click on the message. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Delete. You'll then see two choices: Delete for me and Delete for everyone. If you want to remove the message from everyone's view, choose Delete for everyone. This feature is time-sensitive, so make sure you do this within the allowed time frame. After selecting Delete for everyone, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Click Delete to finalize the action. And just like that, the message will be removed from both your chat and the recipients. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can save you from a lot of embarrassment or confusion. Remember, this feature works across all platforms, including Android, iOS, and PC, as long as everyone involved is using the latest version of WhatsApp. It's a great way to manage your conversations and ensure that your messages are seen only by those you intend them for. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.